Potholes and carriageway defects are commonplace in the UK. Surface preparation begins through the sidearm sweeper for preparation of linear areas. The dust suppression system can be activated from inside the cab in real time. For smaller areas, such as potholes, the driver activates the boom arm to clear the pothole of water and loose stones. Emulsion is then deployed to the affected area. The operator then adds chippings to fill the defect. Once prepared, the area can be locally surface dressed with emulsion and chippings. A second stone layer can be applied as the vehicle reverses. The screed bar is lowered to level loose chippings. Chippings are locked in using an emulsion spray. Multipatcher, one vehicle, one person, multiple applications. Safer, faster, greener, cheaper.